Hi, I'm the Traveling Wizard and welcome to Spain, España. On this edition, we're going to be traveling through some of the prettiest cities in Spain as we make a direct line all the way from the top of Spain to the bottom. July 6th is the day of opening ceremonies for the week-long San Fermín Festival, or Running of the Bulls. It's been on my list for years, and we decided to start in northern Spain in Bilbao, then drive to Pamplona for the festival, and just keep going south all the way to Gibraltar. We made it just in time for the opening ceremony, which is the biggest day. The actual race happens once each morning and barely lasts 10 minutes. I feel like I was in a horrible grape explosion. I had to take a break. Like, it's Mardi Gras on steroids here. It's crazy. My beautiful white shirt is now purple, and I want some sangria inside of me instead of on me. But here's some of my favorite spots along the way in Spain. I'm in Segovia. What a great, great city this is. Right here there's an aqueduct that's thousands of years old. Folk music festival, so there's live music, and I got the best table in the house. I'm in a bullfight. But it hadn't started. 30 more minutes, but it's a bullfight. I'm here at the restaurant Sobrino de Botín. It means the nephew of Botín. This restaurant is the oldest continuously running restaurant since 1725. Look at this place, wow. It's got its own Alcazar. It's an ancient city with a lot of Muslim influence. We're gonna go check it out. There's a bunch of things to do. One of the most important things here is El Greco, the Greek, the famous painter of Spanish Renaissance. He lived here for a good portion of his life, and although he had a long Greek name, he went by El Greco. Well, standing here on this old Roman bridge is pretty awesome, and what a great view. The big, giant showcase here is right here. It's called the Mesquita Cathedra. Now I know why they call it that. Welcome to the planet of Naboo. Well, that's what it was in Star Wars, Attack of Clones. It was also in Lawrence of Arabia and The Dictator, just to name a couple films. This is the Plaza de España, and it's in Seville, Spain, and it's beautiful. I'm in the town of Ronda in Andalusia, and there's not a whole lot going on this morning here in this town, but it is one of the most beautiful towns in all of Spain. Up on top of a mountain, with a really famous bridge. It's actually one of those bridges that you see on your screensavers or on your Roku. In spite of all the times I've been to Spain, I've learned it would take a lifetime to try all the amazing food, learn its world-changing history, see its art, and visit its magical towns. But don't believe me? Just go see it for yourself.